Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So today we are going to learn about the casting in Python. So first thing, what is casting and why we are using the casting? Okay, so casting means we have to convert from one data type to another. So this is called as casting. Okay, so now let's see with the help of your example. So even you can access our playlist in the Python, so you will get all the thing from the basic. Okay, so how we will start our casting? So first we will take one example. Suppose in the x variable we have 1. So it means x is the integer, right? Now if you will print x, so what will happen? You will get output as a 1. So you need to just click on this play button if you want to run the project. After that, if you want to convert this 1 into the float, okay, what you can do, you need to just write float 1. Okay, x equals to float 1. So what will happen now if I will run? So you will get 1.0. It means this one is the float value. But now what we can do here, you need to just take one variable, suppose x equals to, now you have 1.5. It means this is your float value. This is your decimal value. Okay. Now you need to just click on print. You need to just type print x. So what you will get? You will get 1.5 and this is your decimal value. So you need, see, after that, if you want to convert this 1.5 into integer, so you need to just write int, you can write 1.5. Now what will happen if you will run this program? You will get only 1. So what will happen? 0.5 will discard. Why? Because this is 1.5 is the float. Okay. Now we are converting that float into the integer. Okay. After that, we will see the next example. Suppose x equals to, we have one string like suppose 1. Now, what will happen if you will write print x? So once you will play this, you will get 1. Okay, but if you want to convert this into the integer, even you can do that. Int suppose 1. Now see what will happen. So you will get 1. So in this way, you can convert anything, whatever you want. Okay. After that, suppose if you have any data type, like suppose we have the variable y equals to, if you will take float 4.5. Okay, after that you want to print this, print 5. So now see what will happen if I will run this program. You will get 4.5, but here if I will write int, so what will happen? You will get only 4. Why? Because see, this 4.5 is the value. But for that, what we have a data type, we have integer. So this will convert 4.5 into your integer value. So here you will get only 4. So in this way, you can perform our casting in Python. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So after that, in the next video, we will see one more concept. So thank you so much.